Hey, what's up, guys? This is Rapid Fills here. Probably you know from the title of the video, I got stopped out. It is what it is. It's part of the game. That being said, before we start the video, I just want to remind you I want to change my logo or refresh it. So if you got the skill, let me know in the comments below. And the winner design is going to win an hour with me. So you're going to have an hour 101. That's out of the way. Let's get into the charts. It's going to be a quick one. So BBBY, if you've been around the past week or so, you know this stock just went from 5, 4, 50 to 13, right? So if you look at this move, it's about 190% or so. And then yesterday it gapped up and it became a Nasdaq breakout. If you know what does that mean? And it broke out, came back down. We zoom in here and it retested the support. So it came out, tested the support, and it took off. Today is the continuation. However, because this was too extended, I'm like, I'm gonna take a stab at it and take a short. Yes, you heard it right. I took a short on this. I waited for. Honestly, it's almost like a gamble, but it is what it is. I took a short here because now it's extended over 200%, and worth it. Small losses, worth it for me. So I started shorting when it started pulling back. I think into this zone right here. Let me look at my chart on the side. I have a cheat sheet here, obviously. I have my chart. Yes. Okay. I started shorting into the spike back up here with the stop at the higher day. With the spike with the stop at the higher day, and this thing broke, came back, retested again, and it took off. It's almost exactly the same as this, right? We go to the 5 minute here, and you will see on a bigger scale. This thing broke out, came back, retested, and then took off. And this did the same thing. Broke out, retested, took off. Anyways, that moral of the story is if I did not take off the, so let's say I'm risking X amount of money for this, right? Just stop out here, and my planned profit target would be around this support right here. So let's call it 13. So I'm risking, let's call it a buck to make $3, right? Even though this has the potential to wash completely down. But I knew I had to take a smaller position because of one factor that a lot of people overlook. One, this is a meme stock. So there is like a huge population of traders actually taking this trade to the long side. And it can squeeze more than you think. This is one factor. Factor number two is this. Everybody knows this company is a trash, so everybody's short. The stock is 102% short flow. And I knew this can squeeze hard. So I took a smaller position, expecting this to actually squeeze. I thought the squeeze is going to come yesterday, but did not happen. And it's happening today. So it is what it is. Perfect. Anyways, so I got stopped out for my planned risk, right? For a dollar loss. If I did not take that dollar loss, what would have happened? I would have been down $11. So I would have been, if 1R is a dollar risk, I would have been down 11R. So if you planning to lose $1,000, now you're down $11,000. And if you make 1R a day, that's 11 trading days. So it would have been better to just stop out, take your loss. It is what it is, right? And move on to the next play. Nothing actually. It's a planned loss. It's part of the game. One, I knew, at least for me, I knew this could not work at all, and that's why I just did not fight it. I did not want to try it every time it goes up because I knew what could happen. Here's my chart. You can see it's all crunched up because now it's really it moved a lot and it moved fast. So anyways, I shorted right there. As soon as it broke the highs, I took it off and I just did not look. I went to the gym, worked out, came back, and look at it. It's at 28 right now. It's insane. Anyways, this is the point of the story. Take your stop. It is what it is. It's part of the game. You're not going to win all of them. And assess your risk, especially if you're short. Look at the short float. Look at the daily setup, right? Look at what's the catalyst that's moving the stock, and then you will have a full picture. You know, this is a breakout. This is probably a lot of people are buying the stock, and it's heading into these back holders now. So it is what it is. Survive to trade another day. I'm not really pissed, but it is what it is. Take care, guys, and I hope you guys learn from my loss something to take into your trading. Again, everything I provide here is for educational purposes only and for me as a reminder in the future. Peace out, guys.